I am the trail. Step onto me and leave certainty behind. Each footfall is a conversation with the earth. I reveal myself one step at a time. Trails lead us to quiet moments, hidden beauty, and amazing views. Many animal and human trails follow ancient migration routes that are thousands of years old. Trails naturally form where energy is conserved. They are often the most efficient path, even without planning. I carry the memories of many journeys and openly welcome yours. Every trail holds footsteps from wildlife, travelers, and time itself. Stay present. The journey matters as much as the destination. Advice from a trail: walk into beauty. Stay on your path. Find inspiration around every turn. Tread lightly. Pack life with good memories. Every day has its ups and downs. Watch your step.